Suva City day and night, chasing dreams amid the island lights. From the streets to the shores we stay alive. Bustling in Suva, we survive, we thrive. We keep on moving, keep our heads held high. Wake up early, hit the streets again. Gotta make that dollar, keep pushing the pain. From the market stalls to the bus stop line, everybody grinding, gotta make it shine. Got a family to feed, bills on the rise, but we keep the faith, eyes on the prize. From the back rows to the big city square, we hustle hard, showing that we care. No matter what they say, we keep moving on. It's Suva City with the hustle strong. We stand together, working all day long, fighting for our future, singing our song. Hustling in Suva City day and night, chasing dreams amid the island lights. From the streets to the shores we stay alive. Hustling in Suva, we survive, we thrive. We keep on moving, keep our heads held high. From the vendors selling fruit on the side to the workers downtown taking the ride. Every brother, every sister knows the game. We hustle different, but it's all the same. The ocean breeze keep us cool in the heat, but we're running fast, staying light on our feet. From the harbor to the hills, it's our grind. Every corner of the city we're intertwined. The struggle's real, but so is the dream. Every hustle's part of our Suva team. We rise, we fall, but we never quit. Suva City's got that fire, and we're lit. Hustling in Suva City day and night, chasing dreams amid the island lights. From the streets to the shores we stay alive. Hustling in Suva, we survive, we thrive. We keep on moving, keep our heads held high. So here's to the hustlers making it through. In Suva City we do what we do. No matter the struggle, no matter the fight, we hustle in Suva and we'll be alright.